Yeah.
Explosive dish. I'll give it a pause so you can cut this. Salvaging this bridge rectifier.
This is very bad.
Explosive discharge here. We've currently got our little toaster oven. It's preheating, I believe. It should be. It is. Preheating the toaster oven to 200 degrees because we're going to have a garlic baguette. Makes me want to be a uni student.
But no.
No, we ain't a uni student. We can't tell them our profession.
No, we can't. We might be able to.
One day. We're apprentices, that's all we're saying. We're electronic, technical, engineering apprentices. Ooh, smells like the cooking's done. Chris, is it ready, mate?
Yeah, the baguette's nearly done.
Is it another garlic bread?
Yeah.
What have you cooked? Oh no! Anyway, what's happening next, Chris?
That's going out there.
Right.
That can go in Windows 95.
We've AC'd this up, we've bloody DC'd it up, we're pissed off with it, so we're just going to destroy it. Desoldering, and then we'll come back to you. We're going to cook up some prime amplifier. That fits so well. Right, you ready? Now's go time. Oh. Good.
Just to make sure no one accidentally plugs it in ever again.
Gonna use that?
We're not now.
Have it. My stuff is going to vent, that's all I'm saying. This was an electrical fire, but it isn't anymore, so we are using water to put this out. We do have COT extinguishers.
Is that tempered glass gun?
Bit of an issue here. Any messages for viewers, Chris?
Do not try this at home.
Yeah, never extinguish a fire at home, ever. Oh, it's opened. Right, we're running out of storage space. Fucking this transformer up. Ready? Good balance.
We've repaired the jet sound. Well, we haven't. We've just plugged it in. This is Dom. He's very happy. What have you bought today, Dom?
I bought a new amp, right, from Cash Converters. Good deal. It's a mutant, so not particularly good, but it powers the sub.
How much did you pay for it originally?
Well, I originally paid £20, which I thought that's fairly good nick. Bit of knocks and bruises, but I thought that'd be all right. Then I subsequently got in the car and I realised, oh, there's two of them little plastic covers over the inputs, because there's an input and two line outs. And I pulled them off, and lo and behold, someone has sheared the that bit of the phono connector off inside the amp. So I was pretty pissed off at that, to be honest with you. So I took it back in and said, I'd like to ask how this is being tested if you can't put anything on the input side of the phono jacks. And they said, well, it obviously hasn't been tested. I was like, yeah, that's evidently true. And then they took £5 off of me, so 15 quid for an amp, and it's pretty good, I'm not going to lie, I'm pleased with it. No idea how many watts it is, there's no markings on it whatsoever. Probably some chav stole it out of some other chav's car. Can I feel the penny? Oh, can I just say, this is a really good way of seeing how a speaker works. You can see the magnet in the middle there, and the outer coil.
Right, we're going to pop the penny between these two speakers.
Are you ready?
So it goes in, you've got to guess which speaker it comes out in. Bring it down.
Oh, it's back! Poor amp. That is very hot and very stuck.
That one is still going, can you see that?
It's still going
out of it, I think.
Still going for it. Still going for it. There you go. Oh, it's hitting the camera. We need to give it a blast shield.
Just imagine you're doing some screws up in your house and you've got one accidentally lodged in your drill.
It shredded its fan. Welded. You don't want to look at the blue bit.
I'm looking at it through the camera, does that count?
That's fine. Oh!
That can't have been good for those batteries.
The thing's on fire.
Yeah. This is.
I'm going to end up with a puncher on my back, aren't I?
That's a big bit of arcing. See that? We're going to get some batteries venting, I reckon.
That thing's red hot.
Me?
Oh, we haven't had it that bad before. It's glowing red. Not particularly quickly, but look at the insulation on that earth
I don't
wire.
want to leave this on for much longer because this transformer is hot now.
Look at the insulation on the earth wire.
Do you reckon we're going to be able to bend that now?
Not yet.
Okay, I'm going to disconnect it.
Oh wow, look under there. Yes, we can.
90 degree now.